Hi guys, welcome to Damilola's Kitchen. On today's episode of Damilola in the Kitchen, we will be making sauces that we can add to our dishes or our food. Now, let's get started. Before we do anything, I will explain all the ingredients that is on this table. We will need green onion. We will need these vegetables, this one, parsley. We will need this parsley. We will need a lot of ginger. We will need onion. We will need fish, dry fish. We will need mint. I will need garlic. We need a lot of garlic. We will need oil. Then we will need this Mary Dami spice. We will need this Mary Dami spice. It will make everything comes together and smell fabulous and make it taste so good. Then we will need this jar to put everything in, and we will need this alcohol. I will show you what you will need this alcohol for later. Then let's get started. This is the blender that we'll be using. We'll make sure that we put this aside first, because you are concentrating on this first. This is it. You add your onion to the blender that you need. Because I'm going to blend it, that's the reason why I'm cutting it this way. But if I'm not blending it, I can't cut it that way. Then we will add our ginger and our green onion. We won't add everything. Our garlic and our green onion. It's not ginger, this is garlic. Make as much as you think it's going to last you like 3 months. Because what I'm doing now is going to last us like 3 months or 4 months. Because we like it, we have been making it. Then we will put our ginger. We put our ginger into the blender. No need of peeling it. It's part of the flavor because it's going to blend. You will not notice that you didn't peel it. Then we will add this Mary Dami spice to it. Add it to it. Make sure. Because if you can't use this side, you can use that side. Add it. It's not GMO. It's natural. Then we will add our oil to the blender and blend it. Add it. Because it's all that is going to blend it. The reason why I'm not using water to blend it is because if we use water to blend it, it will not last in the fridge. And you can't put it in the freezer. That's weird. You put it in the freezer. And all the ingredients that I use, you can double it or triple it or reduce it. Add all the ingredients onto your ancestors, then that it should stop. I'm going to blend it now. Let's blend. Oh, this thing is not. Now I'm going to blend it. Stop a little bit. then you blend, you stop, you blend, because if you do not do that, you can spoil your blender, and that's not good. So I will show you what it looks like next.
Okay.
This is it. You see, it's thick. That is how you want it to be thick. If it is too runny, it will not be good. See, this is it. Let me show you. It's blend. Just one pulse. You blend everything. Now we will do this and put it in our jar for storage, for good storage. You see, put it there. Now we are going to do the second batch that is going to have this fish in it. Yeah, the dry fish in it is dry. Don't use fresh because it won't work. Because I know some people will say, oh man, why is she not using fresh? You can't use fresh for this process that I'm doing. The dry one is the best. Use the dry one. I'm using this parsley. Curry, just rough chop it. You don't need to finely chop it because your blender, unless if your blender is not strong, you can finally chop it. Just you see how I'm doing it. Or if you don't want to do it, I have this on it. I'll just cut it this way. See? Then this way. Then you put everything in, and then put everything in. That's the beauty of it. Put it there. This one will be different because I'll be putting it in this bowl. When I'm done, it will be different. Let me put this one. See? Yeah, this is the ginger. This is the parsley. This is the mint. I'm adding the mint. You'll be minty and it should be good. Add all the garlic. Add everything. Now, you see what I mean by I'll put it in a bag because everything cannot enter inside at the same time. So I will put this one too. I will add a little bit of this for starters. For starting, so that's why I have that bowl so that I can use it. Then I want this seasoning, Mary Dami spice. I will add it. Then I add my oil to the blender, all of them. Add it. Then I'm going to cover it. I'm still doing it. I know that the oil that I add cannot be enough. I will still add more to the blender. But I will make sure that first of all blend first. Then now I will add my dry fish to the blender first, then I will blend it. See, I soak it first. See, it's already soft. Because if we did not soak it, it will not be smooth. It will not be smooth like this one. This one is not smooth. That's why. You see, it's not smooth. So please soak it first before adding it to your blender. So I'm going to add it now. Is the water from the fish. Then I'm going to blend it until it's smooth. Then I'll add my onion to the pot. Then I'll add my oil. Let's add our oil first, just a little bit. Let's start with a little bit. Then I'm using this one. You need more oil. Then now I've added my onion to the blender. This is it. I'll be putting it together. I'll add it to my onion, the fish and the green stuff. This is it. You want to see it. Then I'll put it to the blender and I'll blend everything together and I'll show you what's next. Now I'll put it in this jar. I've already been putting it in the jar, you see it. So this is the last one, because I don't need to show you everything, just showing you just one of it. And please like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell. Now this is it. This is one, this one, or this one. They are with the dry fish. They have dry fish. This one does not have dry fish. You see the color and difference. Now if you want it to last longer in your fridge, or you can just store it. If you don't have fridge, you can just store it like this place, this table counter or cabinet or your table. You do this. This is the alcohol. Put it there. This is it. Add a little bit. Just need a little bit. This is the alcohol. You can use any brand that you like, and you need paper towel. You just use a little bit. Just this like this. Then you put the paper towel in the alcohol. See? Put it there. And you need use it to clean it. Because of bacteria, that's why we do it that way. Because of bacteria, you clean all the ram. You clean everything. Make sure they are clean. You see? They are clean. Then you cover it with the cover. Voila! Let me do the big one so that you can see. Put it there. Put it in the alcohol solution. Squeeze it. Then use it to clean the ram. Everything. See? Clean it. Or you want to give somebody as a gift. It will look so presentable. And it will last longer for the person to use. Then you cover it. Voila. So please like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell, and follow me on YouTube. Damilola Olaleye on YouTube. If you search Damilola Olaleye on YouTube and you didn't see me, search Mary Dami on YouTube. And please, don't forget to share and comment. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.